So this is just for myself. I'm currently testing again, and Anton just posted a video today, and just watched it minutes ago, and he gave me some inspiration on like context and how to like switch from one bias to another bias. So this is quite nice. I just talked myself through because I think that I'm gonna forget it in like 1 or 2 days, and it would be nice to have something to come back to. So um, yeah, I had so the daily, the daily is still bullish. Daily is bullish. We had multiple of these up. Daily is bullish. Now the 4 hourly, by the way, I changed my time frames. I'm using 5 minute, 30 minute, or 4 hourly and daily now, instead of 5 minute, 1 hourly and daily. So the 4 hourly had its reaccumulation, beautifully moved price up, 1 and 2 and B's up, perfect. Now the expectation on the 4 hourly, why not? Because it aligns with the daily. It goes hand in hand with the daily. We expect this high to be taken out because the daily is a bullish as well, right? Then we jump on to the 30 minute. 4 hourly did not make two supply zones against price. In fact, now the 4 hourly made a demand zone with in direction with price, so it's even more bullish. 30 minute reaccumulated with multiple supply zones against price. Kind of the 50 was kind of alone in the in the midst of nothing. So I waited for a demand zone within direction of price, where I wanted to see price heading, because I know the high time frame picture, daily bullish, 4 hourly bullish. We want to take the 4 hourly high out, and 30 minute is now reaccumulating, so all hand in hand. So the 30 minute, I was looking for a 30 minute demand zone in direction with price to take price higher. Now we have a demand zone right here. Is this demand zone of importance? It's not. Why? Because price just fell down, and it doesn't make sense to watch this demand zone. You see why? Just right after that, it's been met with just a little bit back and forth, which on a lower time frame is a stage one slash accumulation to move prices higher to validate the reaccumulation on the 30 minute. So I waited for demand zone, which was clarified by the price movement, by the movement of price. So I waited for price on the 30 minute to get more into like these MAs, especially onto the 50. I wanted to see the 50 coming down. Now price is moving back and forth, and since it kind of builds here something, I'm expecting the move above the 50, right? I'm predicting it basically. So, and I wanted to see basically move above the 10 and 20. Now met with sideways, which is on a lower time frame again, stage one, because it's all fractal, right? This candle, this demand zone on the 30 minute is a stage one on a lower time frame slash accumulation on a lower time frame to move, in this case, price is high, because this candle validates this stage one. This candle, this bullish candle, is now clarified as a stage two. And so I wanted to see a demand zone above the 10 and the 20. We can just directly, go back. And yeah, now it's nothing for me. I wait for price to come back higher. Prices come back higher. Now we want to see demand zone middle up. Demand zone is there. Demand is coming into the market. Now what we want to see is on a low time frame, because this now validates us to go on the 5 minute chart. On the 5 minute, I was looking for, or actually I'm first time on the 5 minute. This is now not prepared. So 5 minute is actually quite bearish. You see, distribution 4 and B's down. I don't have any reasons to trade long here. I just do nothing, right? Because it doesn't align with the high time frame. So all the high time frames are mega bullish, but the 5 minute is not. And so I'm sitting here not doing anything because I'm expecting this to take a little bit longer, right? You see this stage one on a low time frame, big sideways. which on a little term might be accumulation to take prices higher, but we don't know. Even a break above here, if we get a break above here, would now clarify redistribution. So I'm not touching this anyway. I'm still not touching this, despite it broke up. Despite that it broke up, right? 30 minute now gets 30 minute goes, right? 30 minute goes. You have another demand zone right here. So double demand zone with direction of price. We want to see this target getting taken out, right? This is the 30-minute target. So we still jump on a 5-minute, and what we want to see on a 5-minute is a new buildup. So something like this, then the break below, which validates the redistribution, and a break back above, which basically makes this an accumulation. That's what I'm waiting for, right? So we don't get anything here. I'm not doing anything now because price made such a big move. You can say this is basically accumulation because on a low time frame you certainly have, what is June 23? Can I go on a low time frame? You most certainly have. I can. This is nice. More and B's up, right? So look at this. 3-minute is suddenly bullish. Why? Because I said on a 5-minute, and that's because I said, but on the 5-minute it was just a big move up, which is on a lower time frame because the time is differently distributed on a lower time frame. The price is differently distributed on the lower time frame. You have other price movement. Other orders came into the market, and you get the reaccumulation with a move up, which is now basic bullish. So on a 5-minute, you can actually expect this to be bullish, although there's distribution down there. So what I'm going to do here, I just wait for, because this I can't do anything here. I wait for price to basically come below the MA here and basically build something here to take higher. So I want to take a trade here, right? And we can let this on there. So we come below the MA, come back above. One sideways candle, come up, nothing. Now we wait basically for price to come back above the MA, go sideways, and that's a trade for me, right? Just like that. I'd like to see one more candle because I want to see better stop loss. Stop loss here will be too big for me. Now sideways down, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade, right? And we take this through the high with the expectation that is right here. And look at this. I don't know where I began to draw this. I think here. It's the same. I don't know if this works, but on the 7-6, 7 we had 10, beautiful, still valid, still good. 7-2, still beautiful. 7, nothing. So we're gonna readjust this because this is another great setup. 7-2. Yeah, just run here to protect most of the body closes of the most of the volume, right? And it's still moving good. I still like this. Now you can argue that it gets quite ugly, so we wait for price to come back above the MA. Now go sideways. One on the MA. Beautiful. Come back above. And we give one candle chance. Nothing. Beautiful. If the next candle touches the MA and comes up, then that's a beautiful trade for me. 7-9. Beautiful. MA touched. We come up. Take a loss on that. And then it's just, I don't know, 14.30. Yeah, that was news. So I traded news basically. This shouldn't be a trade on live, but yeah, it's just the change from a short market, what we had here on a low time frame, into a long market. How I'm going to watch this, and this is now perfectly reaccumulation. If we come up back above here, so I'm going to journal this no matter what. Now sideways, nothing. So I have nothing to do here. So now what we would do is reaccumulation, prices moving higher, and take a trade here, right? As easy as that. And this is just something that I am testing right now. So yeah, it's certainly something that helped me a lot. Like this last video was perfect for me to basically bring this onto the charts and basically test for myself. And I did this video because I'm sure as hell that tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I'm back again to confused on the markets. I'm back again to be confused as hell what I'm doing there. Shouldn't be like that. I don't know why it was in the past, but I think this video really helped me to get things going again and to get back to my previous performance. Previous performance in terms of confidence. The performance of my equity curve is the best it was ever, but it is the best it has ever been. But yeah, the performance of my confidence is kind of like not there. But I mean, this comes with testing, and certainly this video did a great job for me to get back to my confidence, because now I changed my time frames. And I don't know, it's been 30 minutes since I changed my time frames, but I don't know, it's certainly feeling more real, because I don't know, I jumped from the daily to the 1 hourly, which seems to be a big jump for me, and I jumped from the 1 hourly to the 5 minute, which is a big jump as well. So I think it's great that I have now the 5 minute, 30 minute, 4 hourly, and the daily. Obviously the high time frames for high time frame analysis, but yeah, I think that's a good thing. So just gonna stop here, because I know what was important in this video, and because these processes that I showed in this video are the processes that I tend to forget over time. So it's good to have those visuals captured, and to go back to when the day comes when I'm sitting here and oh my god, I'm stupid, I don't know what to do. And it's just good to have those visuals captured now, because like I said, the day after tomorrow I'm sitting here and why is not, and now I have this video. So not that I'm sitting here complaining. My equity curve, as I said, my equity curve is at its top, and never been so good. But as I said, my confidence is just, I don't know. Yeah, and this video certainly will help me to get back to my confidence, and yeah, so that's just the purpose of this video. Alrighty, keep grinding, man. Keep grinding.